Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is on a blonde wig that I did receive from MY WIGS. I have worked with them multiple times in the past and I really do love their product. So here's another wig for you guys. This one is a full lace closure wig, not a full lace frontal wig. It's a full lace closure. You can see the closure at the top. It is very large. It looks like it's about 6 inches wide and 6 inches deep. It is very pretty, but I was shocked. I've never seen a full lace closure wig. I've always seen them as a frontal, so this was new and different for me. So they did also send me some goodies in the package. This is their edge brush. It does have a little thin brush on the edge and it has a spoolie on the other end. Perfect for your edges. They sent me a comb. Usually they are in silver, but this one was in black and it does say MY WIGS on it. They also sent me an elastic band that you can sew into your unit to help secure it down. They sent me a nude cap. This one was a little too light for me, so I did use a darker cap that I had on hand. They also sent some bobby pins, another way you can secure your wig down as well. And of course, their user manual that lets you know how to care for your wig. So here is what the wig looks like once it is washed. I did wash it with the Shimmer Light shampoo. It's just a purple shampoo to take out some of the brassiness and the yellow tones in the wig. I went ahead and grabbed my darker spandex cap, popped that on. I also curled the wig just using a flat iron. Sometimes I like to curl my wigs using a flat iron because it's just I don't know, it's just comfortable for me. I didn't show that process. I have so many videos that show me curling the hair, so I will link a few of those down below if you want to see how I curl my wigs. So putting this wig on straight away, it fit perfectly. I really was impressed with how it fit. Now the hairline was a little dense, but this unit is a denser unit. The specs on this unit I will leave in the information bar down below, and I will also tell you guys here. This is a 16-inch wig. It is virgin human hair. It comes in the color 613 and it is a density of 150. That is much higher density than these wigs usually are. Stock wigs are usually around 130. So this one is definitely a higher density and a higher quality. The lace color that I received was a medium brown and the hairline was pre-plucked in the closure area. The cap size that I had was a cap 3B and it is an average cap size. Sorry, the cap construction I had was a cap 3B and the size was average. Like I said, the fit on this wig was perfect. It fit me absolutely perfectly. Now I didn't use any of the combs and it doesn't have a comb in the back, so the fit was just spot on. I did trim the bangs just a little bit. I considered trimming them even more so that it would get a better flow in the front, but I have other ideas on what I want to do with this wig. I will be coloring this hair. I haven't decided on a color yet, so definitely sound off in the comment section down below. What type of color or dyeing technique would you like to see me do on this 613 wig? I have some ideas, but I'd love to, hear you guys' suggestions and possibly use one of them for this unit because I'm really into coloring my units and making them customized for me. If you want to check out some of my colored wigs and my different dye techniques, I will leave links in the information box down below, or you can just click one of my playlists that talks about dyeing and coloring techniques. So I did want to come back real quick and tell you guys my experience using this edge brush. This is my first time using this sort of an edge brush. I rarely use spoolies. I typically will just use like a thin comb or a bristle brush, but I have to admit this one was really good at just grabbing the edges and not grabbing a lot of hair. Sometimes when you use a comb or a brush, it does grab a lot of hair, and this little spoolie doesn't really allow you to make that mistake. So your edges do come out nice and wispy and pretty. So I was pretty happy with it. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. Make sure you leave your comments down below. Make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel because it really helps me out. Share this video and like it as well. Turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.